It's Sweet Butter here, and today we're doing a map by Ryan. By Jamie HD. I can't really say his name properly, so forgive me. Okay. Okay. Well, we're going to be jumping, as you could see, he just tried to do that, but we're going to be doing this in a Rubik's Cube. Rubik's Cube! Rubik's Cube. It's awesome. Let me get into my, what is it called? First person, so I can see. I know, I did it before too. I didn't do it that time though. No! This is making me so frustrated right now, just this jump, because I'll over jump it or I'll under jump it. What'd you do that for? That's evil. Ow. I made it to the blue part once. And yes, I have played this map before. But I never made it to the top. I've only made it to the blue part, which is like a really easy thing to do. That's for pushing me last time. Well, where did I land? In the lava. On my fault? It was my fault, but technically I can say it's your fault. Oh wait, Ryan, I have a trick. I have a trick. Once you make it to this orange block, I have a trick. I have an awesome trick. I think it'll work. I don't know. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Stay. Woohoo! I made my spawn point right here. I think I made my spawn point right there. Yes! Did you click the button whenever you reach it there? No, once you reach the block you want. You made it? I am going to kill you! I saved your life. Okay. Okay, maybe we should actually try and like show them how awesome we are. Aw, man. I hate this. One second. Let me just I'm so awesome at jumping. Watch, this is in slow mode. No, it's just a precaution I have to do. I'm never, wait, I'm not in creative, I swear. Look, I'm not in creative. I'm not. Look, I'm not in creative, look, slap me. Wait, don't actually slap me. Ah! No! Okay. I'm going to kill you! Let's actually try and do this, Ryan. Stop. You can be too much sometimes, and it's so annoying. That's for hitting me. Okay. Take a deep breath, Zoe. Feel the air within your skin. Breathe. Go! Or die. Either thing's fine with me. I am going to...
I made it to the third jump.
Cool. I made it, Ryan. Ah! Change your default. You can change your default game mode to just so that when you die you can like get back to the block you did that in, because it's making me frustrated. But you can't go to the block ahead of you. It's cheating. No, I've been going to the block behind me. Ah! I don't know how. Once I make it to the blue, because the blue is easy to me, I will teleport you to me, and I will change to survival. I don't know. No! YouTubers, they should feel our pain. Like, you guys need to feel... You guys don't know our pain until you've been through it. I think I'm gonna merge some videos together of, like, me falling in the lava repeatedly.
Oh, crap. Really?
What?
I'm done with this now.
Don't say that. We have to do it for the YouTube people. Oh wait, I made it. Did you try and swim in lava 5,000 times? It just looks so red and pretty. Don't you just want to dive in? Yeah. No. I think I'm just gonna do videos of me falling in lava. At the end, I'm just gonna merge videos together of me falling in lava repeatedly. Where? Okay, whatever you say. I feel like a dying baby. It's just like, why? What is life right now? Ryan! I made it!
Where?
Life is real! Ah. No! I just made it and then I fell. Yes, for the YouTube people. Hi, Ryan. It's time to accept my fate. Oh no! I made it, and then I fell, and then This should, instead of being called Rubik's Cube, it should be called Faceplant Cube. I think there's already something called that. Why am I so horrible at parkour? One of the what? Because that's like a regular Rubik's Cube. Yeah, one of those. Yeah, everyone should understand Zoe language. Ryan, it's now or never. I have to make this jump. I have to. I made it! You can't see, there's lava in front of you.
Dude, I saw.
No.
Look where I am. Let's go to the very first stop. I'm going on this map.
Look how far I can jump, Ryan.
You're cheating.
I'm not cheating, I'm just a very good jumper.
Oh my. Zoe, we all know you're cheating.
No, the YouTubers don't. They can. They don't see this. You guys don't see this. Wow! See, I'm moving too fast for you guys to see. Whoa! Well, actually, I'm moving too fast for me to see. But where's the end? I want to find out. Even if I am cheating right now, I want to find out like where's the end.
The end is probably in the end.
Oh, it's right here, and then you finish, and then it goes over here, and then it says, see Rubik's Cube, bottom, sides. Oh, I'm on the bottom of the Rubik's Cube. I made it from the bottom now. Here. Don't know why I'm singing that song. Swimming up lava is my favorite thing to do. Let the lava out. Who else gave up on this Rubik's Cube map? I want to know, YouTubers, who YouTube people, who else gave up on this map just because they thought it was too hard? People, that was the video for today. I hope you have a fantabulous day. Do you have anything to say?
Keep calm and hate parkour.
Yeah! Parkour sucks. Or at least we suck at it.
Yay!
Okay, We'll see you in the next video, so goodbye. Bye.